became a mom about 15 months ago to a beautiful little girl named Ayla. Shortly after she was born, I began struggling with postpartum anxiety.
It can happen to anyone. Giving birth to a baby is really exciting time, but at the same time it comes with a lot of stress, anxiety, and sometimes unfortunately it comes with the depression.
Yeah. So I was in labor for 22 hours.
Wow.
And so that night I obviously didn't sleep. The next night I didn't sleep. The night after that I didn't sleep. And so when I was discharged from the hospital and went home, it quickly started to add up, and I had gone 7 days total without sleep.
Most women after giving birth to a child feels this,
Yeah.
where they're not getting enough sleep, especially when they're breastfeeding. They have to wake up every 2 hours and the anticipation does not let them sleep, and you go without sleep for days.
I mean, I've heard that with postpartum depression and the baby blues that I need to look for, this uncontrollable sadness that I feel, and I didn't have any of that.
If you're sad, if you're emotional, that's one thing. But if you're sad and emotional to the point where you're not able to function, that's when we need to seek help. There are a lot of ways that postpartum depression can present. It can just be simply not able to connect with the baby. It can present as not able to sleep or sleeping all the time, feeling anxious, feeling mood swings, not able to eat or eating too much. Those are the symptoms that we can have to look forward. And if you have thoughts of hurting yourself or hurting your baby, that's the time we have to, no question asked, just call 911 and get help, or call your loved ones.
Yeah. I thought I could rock motherhood, and I didn't think that I was going to have any trouble in any aspect. So, it wasn't easy to accept.
Right. Whom did you contact?
I contacted my OBGYN.
Okay.
And he immediately brought me into the Women's Center at Brookwood, sat down and explained to me that it was normal. I'm normal. It happens.
Having a depression is not your fault. It's never anybody's fault. It's just one of the medical conditions that could happen to anybody. In fact, it's so common that 1 in 9 women experience postpartum depression or anxiety and symptoms like this. When it comes to the postpartum depression, what we say is we need to treat it in a holistic way. So we take advantage of all the support groups we have, the therapy we have, sometimes we bring in the family to help you, and medication. So we try to help in a more holistic way.
Making me a healthy and happy person was goal number 1, so that I could be a healthy and happy mom for my daughter.
Tell me about your daughter.
Oh, well, she is incredible. She is worth anything that I have been through during this experience. She has very little hair and 0 teeth, but she makes up for it in personality. I know I'm biased, but she's awesome, and she just makes every day, whether it's a difficult day or an easy day, all worth it.